squad, turn that shit up, man.
Don't do it, don't do it, you better not. Don't do it, don't do it, I'll beat your ass. Don't do it, don't do it, you mad? Don't do it, don't do it, why you mad?
Don't
do it,
fuck
don't do
with
it.
me now.
You better not.
I'll come for the gang.
I'm on my way.
I'll come for the crowd.
Saladaya.
Look, Glocks on deck, bad bitch, keep the niggas in check. I fly high, bitch, astronaut on deck. All these rappers sound the same, time to hear something new. I'm like the boogeyman, what the fuck you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? And look, I'm the new rapper in town. I'll make it on the charts in no time. Such a couple chains for the Instagram timeline. Snap cause I can never sleep. No say man, little girl making big bags, big hits, hella trips. Look, I know when it's my time, I'm just sleeping. Looking at these other rappers, I'm just peeping. These just little songs, I'm just teasing. I said I'm the girl. Yeah, I'm the girl. You can tell I'm a threat for my verses in my hair. Give a damn what you think, let the whole world stare. Shout out to my fans, it's Fiji gang, bitch. If they gonna hate, they lame, bitch. If it's a great, the problem, let's bang, bitch. We taking flights to Venice. Versace had the toe, she wanna be my apprentice. I'm a little crab coming out of my shell. Friend told me I will make it, I will never fail. I ain't a mumble rapper, you can hear what I say. I wish y'all the best, have a beautiful day. Don't fuck with me now. I'll come for the gang.
I'm on my way.
I'll come for the crowd.
Saladaya.
Don't
do it,
fuck
don't do
with
it.
me now.
You better not.
I'll come for the gang.
I'm on my way.
And I'll come for the crowd.
Saladaya.
Love Fiji.
Squad, turn that shit up, man.